Check. We're gonna do a test here. This should, just a test, make sure stuff's working. Should give you an idea of what you're gonna get for the finale. Okay, we're in business. So people usually cheer right there, guys. Okay. Hey, I'll give you guys a choice of what kind of show you're gonna get. They'll both be really short shows. I can either give you a two-song show, start with a set of drums on my back, acoustic guitar, harmonica, sing for you, as well as the finale here, or I could just do the finale. So it is up to you. Who wants the two-song show? Say yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's like three of us. Actually pretty good for out here. Listen, you guys, this is a live show. I'm gonna need some energy from everybody. Go ahead and give me your biggest cheer for no reason at all. Let me hear it.
Yeah!
If you guys don't speak English, just cheer when the white guys cheer. All right, okay. Really loud. Who wants the two-song show? Say yeah.
Yeah!
Who wants just the finale? Say yeah. Yeah. Who doesn't care what I do? Say yeah. I'll give you guys two songs. We'll just do a minute on this machine, and then we'll get right to the finale. I started doing something like this straight out of high school several years ago. I traveled all over the United States doing it. I was on America's Got Talent, the Mexico version. in Mexico City. I built this setup a few years ago for a Google commercial. For the finale, you guys, so climb to the top of the big machine. You're gonna see me perform a full set of drums through a pedal board I designed with only my feet. Let me be clear about this, you guys, the drums will not perform themselves. None of these instruments are automated. I will manually play everything that you see there at the same time by myself. While I do the drums, we'll do an electric guitar, bass guitar, keyboard, and sing. It's like 2 more members than the White Stripes, 1 more member than Green Day. This has never been done in the history of music. You're looking at 1 person, 5 parts of music simultaneously. Simultaneously means at the same time. Alright, you alright there, buddy? Sorry, I can't turn it down, man. You guys can scoot back some if you want. I know, cover your ears, it's loud. Let's tighten up this crowd one more time. You guys in the back here, if you wouldn't mind, come all the way up with the rest of the crowd. We got to make space for people. They're walking into the street. I'm going to give you 1 minute on this little machine. We'll climb up here in a minute and break a world record for you. Thank you. Yes, my name's Wilson. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
I'm a maker of musical apparatus. I built everything here you're looking at. These are original designs, you guys. The crazy guitar up here, that's the first of its kind. This big machine is pretty much the only thing that's happened in drumming since the 1980s. In the 80s, somebody developed what's called a double bass pedal. It's original music. This is all funded doing street shows. You're looking at nearly 13,000 street shows over the course of almost 10 years. So, yep, as I mentioned, the drums are played through the pedal board with only the feet. This drum beat would require a traditional drummer 3 limbs, guys. That's 2 arms and 1 foot. I'm doing this with my right foot. Ladies and gentlemen, 1 foot drumming. I do fills with my left foot. It's a 1 foot disco beat. Up here we got a combination guitar, bass guitar.
Yeah.
You guys, seriously, none of this is automatic. I'm controlling everything up here. You guys see the bass strings on the back of the neck? Give me a clap if you see those.
Yeah.
Yeah, drop the baby and start clapping, sir. Just kidding. You guys, I'm gonna play the bass line with my thumb. It goes a little something like, I'll play a little bass line with my thumb while I strum the guitar with my other thumb. Okay. And then a keyboard, just a normal, average, everyday keyboard, but the most difficult thing you'll see. At the end of the song, I'll play the keyboard with the 4 fingers of my right hand while I strum the guitar with my thumb. Bass guitar with the other thumb, drum with my feet, and sing with these beautiful angel vocal cords. You can hold your applause on that one. Thank you. You guys, I'm out here, I'm raising money to complete projects I'm working on this winter. If you don't have anything to give, it's okay. If you don't have any money, you guys, really, that is okay. If you do have money, well, I would really like some of your money. Yeah. If you want a tip, tips go through the golden ring on the front of the box. This is a street show. It's up to you to decide how much you want to pay. Thank you very much, sir. I do want to say a really big thanks to those of you coming up with bigger bills. I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys bigger bill helps me keep up with my landlord, and then you're allowing me a few extra dollars to keep progress along. So thank you. If anybody wants to tip a 20 and you don't have one, we have an ATM next to CVS. Thank y'all very much. You are watching Lone Sound Ranger. Thank you, sir. Ma'am, sorry. Come up and tip at any time. Thanks a lot, guys. Thank you. Thanks for coming up, sir. Hey, thank y'all for taking the time to come up here. My website's on the front of the box. I'll go on tour with what you're helping to build next fall. Search Lone Sound Ranger on the internet. I'm sure you'll find me. Thank y'all very much. Appreciate it.